After a snowy night, when the farm was covered in a thick layer of snow, the tractor decided that its task would be to clear the road to the field, but also the entire farm. The sight of the farm covered in a blanket of white was beautiful, but a bit overwhelming. The barn, garage, bridge, and gazebo disappeared under a white curtain. Even the paths that led to the house were barely visible. One cold winter, the farm, covered in snow, seemed to be asleep. Snowdrifts filled every corner of the yard, and the cold air creaked under shoes and tires. The animals in the barn and stable were safe, but the farm lacked a place to hide from the snow during winter work. In the middle of the yard stood a tractor, the unsung hero of many challenges. Although winter was in full swing, the tractor had a new task ahead of it: building a small shelter that could serve as shelter from the winter elements. winter was in full swing on the farm. Snow had been falling steadily for several days, covering the entire yard, fields, and roads. A smaller utility tractor, which had been trying to deliver beets to silos, had become stuck in one of the snowdrifts in the field. Now it needed help. In the garage, the main tractor was resting after the previous day's hard work. However, when the news of the smaller colleague's problems came, it was immediately put into operation. It had a plow mounted on the front and a tow rope attached to the back, ready for any challenge. The tractor moved across the farm toward the field where a smaller tractor was stuck. Once there, the tractor saw its smaller colleague, which had almost completely disappeared under the snow. Using the tractor's tow hitch, he connected the rope to the frame of the buried tractor. Slowly, with force and precision, he began to pull the tractor out of the trap. The snow resisted, but the tractor's powerful wheels refused to budge. After a few minutes of effort, the smaller tractor was free and could continue unloading the beets in the silos. After the rescue operation was completed, both tractors returned to the farmyard. The snow was still falling, but thanks to their efforts, the farm was passable again.